In this video, I'm about to show you how to play with friends on Minecraft Mobile from PS5. First, ensure both players have a valid Minecraft account and that crossplay is enabled in the game settings. Both devices need to use the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, which supports cross-platform functionality. On the PS5, log in with your Microsoft account and link it to your PlayStation account. On the mobile device, open Minecraft and log in with the same Microsoft account or a compatible one. Both players should then join a shared multiplayer server, such as Minecraft Realms or a public server that allows cross-platform play. If you prefer to create your world, enable multiplayer and cross-platform features in the world settings and ensure both players are connected to the same network or online server. Use the invite feature on PS5 to invite the mobile player or share the server address to join from the mobile device. Keep in mind that some features like hardware capabilities and input methods may differ between platforms. While Minecraft is optimized for seamless play across devices, using a server or realms is the most straightforward way to connect players on PS5 and mobile. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.